Here's a quick overview of how to use the LP female urination device. Please note that the video contains simulations, so it may not be suitable for all viewers. Viewers' discretion is advised. The LP comes with written instructions, but if you're like me, before purchasing, may still want to know how this actually works. I think the device is very helpful when you are unable to squat and really do need the ability to pee without splattering. You have to learn through experience where to place the device and then trust yourself that it will not wet any of your clothing. I have not yet been successful doing this with simply unzipping. I have to still unbutton and somewhat pull down my clothing to access. The following demonstration does not show any nudity or urination. It shows how to hold and position your body to use the LP. Note my hand positioning with the thumb at the front and full support with light pressure below to make a seal between the device and my body. I suggest you practice in your shower and then your toilet before using it on your hikes. The body and canal of this device is sturdy and the canal does not collapse when in use. It's easy to rinse and clean and comes with its own carry pouch with carabiner so you can clip it onto your day pack. Some practical suggestions. Keep a pee cloth with you or a small roll of toilet paper. Definitely bring a Ziploc bag to discard your TP. Please don't leave it in nature. Use a different water bottle than the one you drink from to rinse your device clean. Leave a small bit of TP at the end of the canal and then store it canal down in your pouch. Practice, practice, practice. Your success lies in practicing, trusting yourself, and becoming comfortable using the device. And if you found this video helpful, please like and click subscribe for more content.